Today is December the 17th, 2024. I got my food from Panda and Warner Robins. And as I'm eating it, it's a good thing that I didn't give it to my grandbaby to eat some. He's two and he likes to feed himself. But right there is a piece of metal that was in the food that I got from Panda. Here's my receipt. You flip it over. And you can see I only got it a few minutes ago. And there's the date up top, 1724. And I'm almost afraid to finish eating it because that piece of metal was in there. And Panda has decent food, good food, but they would declare if I went back and took this to them that it wasn't in this food, you know. So if you're feeding your kids food from Panda, you may want to be kind of decisive about what you're letting them eat by themselves and go through it and make sure there's no metal or other obstacles or objects in your food. But again, I bought this at Panda. It was probably been about 20, 30 minutes ago. I finally got home and get to eat it. And I kept feeling something when I was eating my food, trying to figure out what am I eating. And it's a piece of metal in the food from Panda here in Warner Robins, Georgia on Watson Boulevard. And it's scary. Like I said, again, they would declare that didn't come out of their food. It's a piece of metal. And it may be like a piece of something they clean the stoves or the tops with or the pans with. But that, if it get enlarged in your systems and stick into your system, will cause problems. They're not going to want to pay that doctor bill. And they'll fight it to the end and say that it didn't come out their food. But anyway, that's Panda for you. And probably other restaurants, but check your food before you eat it or before you give it to your kids. Imagine my 2-year-old baby eating this and swallowing it, and the doctors can't figure out what's wrong with him, why he's having internal bleeding problems or whatever it would cause internally. So, again, I know if you call Panda, they'll probably apologize. But I always tell people, sorry never fix anything. Anyway, talk with you later.